Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parks and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater trade-in here today. This one is a Suzuki 20-inch tiller. This is power tilt, electric start. This one came in just a trade-in for a 40-horse Yamaha. Got about 24 hours on it. Everything's good to go. It's ready to run. It does not come with a tank. Didn't get a tank with the trade-in. So this one, other than that, everything is ready to go. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Power tilt. Pumping good water. It does also have a year left on the warranty, actually just under a year. Goes out till March of 2027, and that will be transferable. Go ahead and put it in gear. I can only run it so high in this tank, it does start to cavitate. Back down to neutral. Reverse. Turn it off. Fire it back up. Shut it off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.